How to fix a paper jam in the HP NeverStop Laser 1000, MFP 1200, and HP Laser NS1020, MFP 1005 printer series. Fix a paper jam when a paper jam error displays on the control panel. If the attention, paper, and resume lights are on, check for jams in the input tray area. If the attention and paper lights are on, check for jams in the imaging drum area. Remove all paper from the output tray. With the printer on, disconnect the power cord. Lift the scanner, if your printer has one, and then open the top cover. When handling the imaging drum, avoid touching the surface of the drum. Pull the handle to remove the imaging drum from the printer, and then set it aside. Remove the input tray cover, and then remove all paper from the input tray. Remove all paper from inside the printer. Slide the imaging drum into the printer. Close the top cover, and then lower the scanner if your printer has one. Reconnect the power cord, and the printer turns on automatically. If it does not, turn on the printer. Load paper into the input tray, making sure not to exceed the maximum fill line. Adjust any guides so they touch the paper stack, and then reinstall the input tray cover. Wait until the printer is idle and silent, and then print a document again. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.